Hello, my name is Yavinesh Ramesh and my class is EKM Satudi and my metric code is 10 DKM 21F1105.
My name is Kavinash. I am coming from DKM Satudi. My note metric is 010 DKM 21F1109.
Hi guys, my name is Manoj. My matrix number is 10 DKM 21F1101. I'm from DKM 1D. Today I'm gonna use this wonderful opportunity to present a video which is related to trigonometry and Pythagoras theorem. In that video I will show some engineering problems.
Hello, my name is Yavinesh Ramesh and I'm from class DKM Satudi and my registration number is 10 DKM 21F1105. Today I wanna teach you about trigonometry. Trigonometry is a simple chapter that all students can understand. And in this trigonometry, we learn three new things: sin, cos, tan. In this sin, cos, tan, only we can find our value of the triangle or the angle of the triangle or the perimeter of the triangle. So first, we have 6 formula in total. We want to memorize all formula in 6 formula. And the first formula is sin of data equals to sin data equals to opposite over hypotenuse. For first, this side will be opposite and this base will be adjacent and this length will be hypotenuse. And the number 2 formula, cosine of data equals to cos data equals to adjacent over hypotenuse. If we want to find cosine of data, we want to take adjacent and hypotenuse divide, we can get cos data. And 3, the tangent of data equals to tan data equals to opposite over adjacent. We want to take the opposite and the adjacent to find out the tan data also equal to sin data over cos data. If students cannot memorize all this formula, we have a tip for student, that is so cha tua. The so cha tua means the S represent for sin and the O represent for opposite and the H equals to hypotenuse. So we can find out this is sin of data equals to sin data equals opposite over hypotenuse. Same like that, CAH cosine, C represent C cosine and A represent of adjacent and H represent of hypotenuse, and the T represent of tangent and O represent of opposite and A represent of adjacent. And the fourth formula is cosecant of data equals to CSC data equals to 1 over sin data. And the number 2 formula is secant of data equals to SEC data equals to 1 over cos data. And the third one, contingent of data equals to COT data equals to 1 over tan data. So if we memorize all the 6 formula, we can do any question in trigonometry. For example, the first question, the question asks for the given the value of sin data equals to 3 over 5. Find the value of, they ask, angle of data, tan data and CSC data. For this, first we want to find the angle. The solution is we want to use a formula that sin data equals to 3 over 5. This 3 over 5 from this question. From this question we can find our angle from. So we do a equation like data equals to sin negative 1, because the sin come to this side it will be negative 1, and sin negative 1 3 over 5. If we press your calculator, the calculator will give this answer 41 degree. And same like the tan data equals to tan 41. This 41 degree is from this answer, and if you press the calculator tan and 41 degree, the answer will appear on this calculator like 0.7508. And C, they ask CSC data. The CSC data equals to 1 over sin data. This formula is by this COT and 1 over 10 data. We use that formula for this question, and if we follow that, we can get 1 over 3 over 5. If we press our calculator, we can get 5 over 3 and in answer. So this is an example of a question, and another example of question is the question 2. This question we got a picture like a triangle. What the question asks: refer to the diagram given on below, find length of A. We want to find out length of A and length of B and cotangent of 34 degree. For this, we use sin 34 degree equals to opposite over hypotenuse. If we want to find a length of A is this side, and we want to find this, we gotta divide the opposite and the hypotenuse. Sin 34 degree equals to, we don't know opposite is what the value, and just put A and the 37 is hypotenuse. And if we follow the algebraic equation, we can get A equals to sin 34 degree times 37 equals to 20.7 cm. For question A, we already get the answer, and for B, length of B. For B, we want to square root the 37 square minus 20.7 square equals to 30.7 cm. So this is also done. And then for the last one, cotangent 34 degree. Cotangent 34 degree is equals to 1 over tan 34 degree. It will be 1 over 20.7 or 30.7. And if you press the calculator will give the answer 1.48. So thank you.
Okay, my name is Kailash Nair from DKM 1D. Today I'm gonna talk about the positive and negative value of the trigonometry function. Okay, the positive and negative sign of trigonometry ratios that lie the 4 quadrants, and we remember by using the diagram below. We use this diagram to remember only the positive ratios in each quadrant. Okay, today the first question I gotta talk about is sin 40. Solution. First, we have to bring the 360 degrees to, because this is positive, so we have to bring from here 40. Positive since in the first quadrant all are positive. Okay, the next question is tan 260. Solution. From 360 degrees, we have to bring the 200 degrees to the 270. So positive 260 is the third quadrant and tan is positive. That's all. Thank you.
The reference angle beta. Reference angle is the acute angle that represents the angle of any measure. It is the smallest angle that is possible between the terminal site and the initial site. Since the angle in the first quadrant is always acute, the reference angle is always between 0 to 90 degrees.
Okay.
So guys, let me show the first questions of reference angles. Is Ali and his family bought a cake for his birthday. They add 274 degrees of the cake and keep the remaining pieces in the fridge. What was the angle of remaining pieces left? So this is the example of cake, and this is the piece of left. In this case, theta equals to 274 degrees in the fourth quadrant, and therefore beta equals to theta minus 274 degrees, and then 360 degrees minus 274 degrees. So the answer is 86 degrees.
Okay, the conclusion of our presentation is trigonometry is derived from Greek words trigonon, 3 angles, and metron, measures. Trigonometry is the branch of mathematics which deals with triangles, particular triangles, in a plane where one angle of the triangle is 90 degrees. Triangle on a sphere also studied in circumscribed trigonometry. Trigonometry specific deals with the relationship between the sides and angles triangles. That's it's on the trigonometry function and the calculation based on the three function. Thank you.